Payday 3 network error, no network connection. What's really going on with the Payday 3 servers? Today in this video, I have got the latest update from the game developers itself. So without a further ado, let's jump right into all the details and let's check it out the maintenance schedule and when they'll be going to fix it and all the latest details. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I was trying to play Payday 3 and I'm getting matchmaking error, server disconnected. So what's really going on with the Payday 3? What's the server status? Let's check it out the latest update. Alright, so right here onto the Twitter, let's check it out what's really going on. Are many people facing the same kind of issue? Is this a global outage of what's really going on? Well, here you can see guys, 1 hour ago, Payday 3 no network connection error. Check this out, matchmaking not working in Payday 3. While some people are getting Nebula data error, failed to fetch the game config data. Login to Nebula failed, platform account already linked, login failed. And while many people are getting this error right over here, something unexpected happened. And here you can see guys, recently on yesterday there was tons and tons of outage report, and right now here you can see the same kind of a situation has just started beginning, and we can already see that there are some outage reports. So without a further ado, let's check it out the latest update right from the game developers itself, the Payday 3 Twitter official page. Alright, so on September 21st, they have tweeted out, it's finally here, Payday 3 is launching on all the platforms, and then right up to that, Payday 3 has finally launched into all the platforms, and 23 hours ago, they have tweeted out, we are currently experiencing authentication issues with Payday 3 servers, you may experience issues with the game, we are looking into this. Then on yesterday, this issue got too much crazy with, authentication issue has been resolved, and now you can access the game again. But check this out, when people have rushed into the game, when Payday 3 has ranked first into the top selling onto the Steam, check this out, just 20 hours ago, and then right up to that we have deployed some fixes, but we are seeing some instability in matchmaking. That's totally obvious, a new game and many people rushing into it. We are continuing investigation and keep working on addressing this. Just 15 hours ago, realizing that matchmaking issues are frustrating, we are still here working and getting this back up and running. And then 20 hours ago, we are currently experiencing slow matchmaking. So matchmaking is kind of the servers are not able to handle the matchmaking load, and that's the probable reason we can see. As far as the latest details goes, let me show you the latest tweet right over here. Just check this out, 2 hours ago Payday 3 tweeted out, he says it was a long night and once functionality came back, and once functionality came back, it was still unstable for a time, but we are now confident in saying that we are on our way to get back in full force. So there you go guys, they have finally managed and found out the solution. They have allocated more servers, I think. And guys, do let me know how's your Payday 3 experience. Honestly, it's kind of a fun game. Do let me know what you think about it. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.